Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you what to do when you forget your password in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. And now let's go to our TikTok app first. So in case you forgot your password on TikTok, you need to have linked your phone number or email address in TikTok so that you can retrieve your password through there. Now to do that, let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button on the bottom right corner of our phone, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there. Let's go to settings and privacy, tap there, and you can see the manage account option over here. Tap there, and you can see the password option is empty over here. So if you click or tap on the password right now, it will be directly resetted. A code will be sent to your phone number, and if you input the code correctly, you can reset the password. Let's do that. Okay, and so after we touch it, the code will be sent to us, and I have received the code already. Very fast. Thank you, TikTok. So this is the code, and let's change the password, and let's go there. Guys, I have successfully changed password in my account, and you see, if you forgot your password in TikTok, resetting is this easy if you have linked your phone number and email. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.